Are you tired of that pins and needles feeling in your hands? Or legs that feel unsteady when you walk? Today, we're sharing 8 delicious, collagen-rich snacks designed to help you regain your strength and confidence. Let's get started. Hello, and welcome to the Senior Wellness Center. I'm Dr. Kenji Sato, with over 20 years of experience in geriatric medicine and nutrition. I've seen firsthand how the right foods can dramatically improve quality of life. My mission here is simple: to provide you with practical, science-backed advice to help you feel stronger and more vibrant every single day. Forget complicated routines. Today we focus on simple, powerful changes you can make right in your own kitchen. For too long, we've been told that tingling, weakness, or achy joints are just a normal part of getting older. But I'm here to tell you, that's not the whole story. These are often signals from your body asking for specific building blocks to repair itself. Many people hear collagen and immediately think of skin creams. While it does keep our skin firm, its most vital role is deep inside our bodies. Think of it as the structural glue holding everything together: your joints, your ligaments, and even the protective sheaths around your nerves. As we age, our natural production of this glue slows down. This is why joints can feel stiff and nerves can misfire, leading to that frustrating tingling or weakness. But the good news is, you don't need a fancy prescription to address this. The most powerful solutions can often be found right in your kitchen. Today, we're focusing on delicious, natural foods that help your body rebuild what it has lost, one tasty snack at a time. First on our list is something that might feel like an indulgence: dark chocolate midnight clusters. Yes, you heard that right, chocolate. But it has to be the right kind. We're not talking about sugary candy bars. For real benefits, you need dark chocolate with at least 70% to 85% cacao. This is where the powerful nutrients are concentrated. In my practice, I always recommend choosing high-quality, organic brands. This helps you avoid excess sugar and concerns about contaminants like heavy metals, ensuring you're getting pure, healing goodness. This type of chocolate is packed with compounds called flavonols. Think of them as tiny repair crews for your body. They help reduce inflammation, support healthy circulation, and protect your cells from damage, which is crucial for nerve and joint health. Making these clusters at home is incredibly simple. Start by gently melting about 1 ounce of your high-quality dark chocolate. You can do this in a microwave in short bursts or in a bowl over warm water. Once it's smooth, stir in a handful of roasted almonds. Provide the amino acids your body needs as building blocks for its own collagen. Then, add a teaspoon of dried goji berries for a boost of vitamin C and a touch of natural sweetness. Simply drop small spoonfuls of the mixture onto a parchment-lined plate and let them chill in the refrigerator until firm. It only takes about 15 minutes. What you get is a delicious, satisfying treat that's actively working for you. The antioxidants from the chocolate, the protein from the almonds, and the vitamin C from the goji berries create a powerful synergy. It's a snack that feels like a decadent dessert but is secretly helping to soothe your joints and strengthen your body from the inside out. Next up, let's talk about gelatin fruit nibbles. Many of us associate gelatin with wiggly childhood desserts, but in its pure form, it's a collagen powerhouse. Here's why it's so effective. Gelatin is essentially cooked collagen. This process breaks down the large proteins into smaller, more digestible forms that your body can absorb and put to work almost immediately. It's crucial to choose the right kind. Though we're not talking about the brightly colored, sugar-filled boxers at the store. For these benefits, you want a pure, unflavored gelatin powder, preferably from grass-fed sources. This ensures you're getting the healing components without any added sugars or artificial ingredients. This pure form is rich in amino acids, like glycine, and proline, exact building blocks your body uses to repair joint cartilage, strengthen connective tissues, and support healthy nerve function. The science backs this up. One compelling study showed that athletes who took gelatin before exercise experienced 37% less joint pain over time. That's a significant improvement that can translate to easier movement in our daily lives, from walking to gardening. Creating your own healing fruit nibbles is incredibly easy. Start by gently warming 1 cup of unsweetened fruit juice. Tart cherry or pomegranate juice are excellent choices, as they are also high in anti-inflammatory. Don't let it boil. Just warm it enough to dissolve the gelatin. Now, slowly whisk in 2 tablespoons of your pure, grass-fed gelatin powder until it's completely dissolved and smooth. Pour the mixture into silicone molds. I've linked to some great isachuzus, ones in the description, or simply into a shallow dish. You can even add a few fresh berries for extra fiber and vitamin C. Let it chill in the fridge for about an hour until firm. Then cut into bite-sized squares. These nibbles are a simple, satisfying snack that delivers a concentrated dose of joint-supporting nutrients. It's an easy way to give your body the tools it needs to feel more flexible and comfortable. For our third snack, we're turning to a timeless, natural remedy: chicken bone broth. This isn't just soup. It's a deeply nourishing liquid packed with easily absorbable collagen. It's especially powerful for soothing stiff joints and addressing that tingling sensation in your hands and feet. The magic happens through a slow, simmering process. When you cook chicken bones for several hours, the heat and time gently break down the connective tissue, releasing collagen, minerals, and valuable amino acids directly into the water. This creates a broth that your body can soak up and use for repair. I know what you might be thinking. Sea-modding for 8 hours is a big commitment in our busy lives. For days when you're short on time, but still want those powerful benefits, a high-quality, grass-fed collagen peptide powder can be a fantastic alternative to add to your coffee or a smoothie. I've linked my recommendation below. But when you do have the time, making your own broth is deeply rewarding. It's simple. Just save the leftover bones from a roasted chicken. You can even keep them in your freezer. Place the bones in a large pot, cover them with water, and add a splash of apple cider vinegar, which helps pull more minerals from the bones. Toss in some chopped vegetables like celery, carrots, and an onion for flavor. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook for at least 8 hours, or even longer. The longer it simmers, the more nutrient-dense it becomes. Once it's done, strain the liquid into jars and let it cool in the refrigerator. As it chills, it will transform into a rich, soft gel. That's how you know it's full of collagen. To enjoy it as a snack, just scoop out half a cup, warm it gently, and sip it like a soothing tea. It's a comforting, healing ritual that provides your body with exactly what it needs to rebuild tissues and support nerve health. Our fourth snack is bright, refreshing, and incredibly powerful: cantaloupe mint bites. This one is all about a crucial nutrient that often gets overlooked in the conversation about collagen. Vitamin C. Here is a simple fact. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply cannot produce collagen. It's an essential cofactor in the process, acting like the spark plug that ignites the entire collagen-building engine. You can consume all the collagen in the world, but without vitamin C, your body can't effectively use it to repair joints or strengthen That's what makes cantaloupe such a fantastic choice. This sweet, juicy melon is one of nature's best sources of vitamin C. Just 1 cup provides a huge portion of what your body needs for the entire day. This helps kickstart your natural collagen production, which can ease that tight, achy feeling in your knees, hips, and even your fingers. This snack is perfect for a warm afternoon and couldn't be easier to prepare. Start by cutting a fresh, ripe cantaloupe into bite-sized cubes. Its soft texture is gentle on the mouth, making it easy to enjoy. Place the cubes in a bowl and add a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice. This not only adds a zesty flavor but also provides an extra antioxidant boost to help fight inflammation. Next, gently toss in a few fresh mint leaves. The mint provides a wonderful cooling effect and aids in digestion. For a satisfying crunch and a dose of healthy fats, sprinkle some chopped pistachios on top. These nuts also help calm inflammation and keep your joints moving smoothly. What you get is a hydrating, delicious bowl that gives your body the exact spark it needs to build more collagen. For our fifth snack, we're celebrating the hidden power of a kitchen staple: the tomato caprese salad snack. Sometimes the most potent health foods are the ones we see every day, and the humble tomato is a perfect example of a collagen-friendly powerhouse. Tomatoes offer a brilliant 2-part benefit for your body. First, they are rich in vitamin C, which we know is essential for building new collagen. Second, they contain a powerful antioxidant called lycopene, which is what gives them their beautiful red color. Think of it this way. Vitamin C helps build the house, and lycopene acts as a shield, protecting that house from damage. This dual action leads to stronger joints, firmer skin, and less inflammation over time. Now, some of you may have heard that tomatoes can be inflammatory. While it's true that a small number of people with sensitivity to nightshade vegetables should be cautious, for the vast majority, the lycopene in cooked or warmed tomatoes acts as a potent anti-inflammatory. One of the most delicious ways to enjoy this is with a simple caprese-style salad. It's light, refreshing, and fantastic for your joints and nerves. Just slice a ripe, juicy tomato and layer it with a few slices of fresh mozzarella. If you prefer a dairy-free option, creamy cubes of avocado are an excellent substitute. The healthy fats in both mozzarella and avocado help your body absorb that powerful lycopene even more effectively. Now for the most important part. Drizzle on a little high-quality, extra virgin olive oil. This not only adds incredible flavor, but also helps your body soak up all those beneficial, and top it with a few fresh basil leaves for a burst of flavor and digestive support. Let it sit for a few minutes for the flavors to meld together, and you have a snack that feels gourmet, but is working hard to repair your body. Number 6 introduces a tropical superstar that might not be on your regular grocery list, but absolutely should be: the Guava Power Yogurt Bowl. If you're serious about boosting collagen, guava is one of the most effective fruits you can eat. We often think of oranges as the go-to for vitamin C, but guava is in another league entirely. Just a small serving of guava contains several times more vitamin C than a large orange. It's one of the most concentrated natural sources on the planet. As we've discussed, this matters immensely. Vitamin C is not just helpful. It is an essential key your body must have to unlock collagen production. Without it, the repair process for your joints, nerves, and tissues simply cannot happen efficiently. When you pair this vitamin C powerhouse with a protein-rich food like plain Greek yogurt, you create the perfect synergy. The yogurt provides the amino acids, the raw materials for collagen, while the guava provides the vitamin C needed to assemble them. This combination gives your body both the fuel and the instructions to rebuild and feel stronger. It's a fantastic strategy for anyone dealing with weak legs, tingling hands, or stiff joints. Making this power bowl is as simple as it is effective. Just chop up some fresh, ripe guava. You can find it in the tropical fruit section of many grocery stores. Stir the pieces into a bowl of plain Greek yogurt. For a touch of natural sweetness, add a small drizzle of honey. Then, squeeze in some fresh lime juice for even more vitamin C and a bright, zesty flavor. To finish, top it with some chopped almonds or walnuts. These nuts add healthy fats and minerals that further support the healing process and provide a satisfying crunch. It's a complete, nutrient-dense snack that tastes like a tropical getaway. Number 7 is all about simplicity and power. The Kiwi Crunch snack. Sometimes, the most effective health habits are the easiest ones to maintain, and this snack is a perfect example. Like guava and cantaloupe, kiwi is an absolute powerhouse of vitamin C. Eating just 1 or 2 kiwis a day can flood your body with this essential nutrient, giving it the green light to produce the collagen needed for strong joints, firm skin, and healthy nerves. For anyone experiencing tingling in their hands or weakness in their legs, making kiwi a regular part of your diet can be a game changer. It directly provides the key ingredient your body is craving to repair those delicate nerve and connective tissues. But the benefits of kiwi don't stop there. It's also fantastic for digestion, thanks to its natural enzymes and fiber. A healthy gut allows your body to better absorb all nutrients, including the building blocks for collagen. This snack supports your whole system. This recipe couldn't be simpler. Just take a fresh, ripe kiwi, peel it, and slice it into rounds. Place the slices on a small plate and sprinkle a few toasted almonds or walnuts on top. The nuts provide a deeply satisfying crunch and deliver healthy fats and protein, which your body uses to maintain and repair tissue. Now, for a little extra kick that also boosts your health, add a tiny pinch of chili flakes or a dash of sea salt. This might sound unusual, but that gentle heat can help improve circulation, which is fantastic for getting nutrients to your hands and feet where you need them most. This snack takes less than a minute to prepare, but it delivers a powerful combination of vitamin C, healthy fats, and circulation-boosting compounds. It's an easy, delicious habit that helps keep frustrating symptoms at bay and lets you enjoy life with more energy and ease. Finally, our 8th snack features a tropical fruit with a unique secret weapon: pineapple nut bites. While pineapple is a great source of vitamin C, its real standout quality comes from a special enzyme called You don't need to remember the name, just what it does. Bromelain is a powerful natural anti-inflammatory. It works deep within your body to calm the inflammation that is often the root cause of stiff, painful joints and irritated nerves as we age. When you combine this inflammation-fighting enzyme with pineapple's own natural vitamin C, you get a powerful 1-2 punch. The vitamin C helps build new collagen, while the bromelain helps reduce the inflammation that can damage it. This powerful combination helps your body repair itself more effectively, making movement easier and easing that uncomfortable stiffness in your knees, hips, and hands. It's a fantastic food for anyone looking to feel more limber and comfortable. This snack is as tasty as it is simple. Just cut some fresh, juicy pineapple into bite-sized chunks. Avoid the canned versions in syrup, as fresh pineapple contains the most active bromelain. Now, mix those chunks with a handful of crunchy macadamia nuts or cashews. These nuts are not only delicious, but also provide healthy fats and protein, which your body uses to rebuild tissues and sustain your energy levels throughout the day. If you want to take it up another notch, sprinkle in a little cinnamon. This simple spice not only adds a wonderful warm flavor, but can also help balance blood sugar and provides its own anti-inflammatory benefits. A few fresh mint leaves are a great addition to this snack. Is a sweet, satisfying, and strategic way to support your body. It doesn't just taste good. It provides a unique combination of nutrients that actively helps your body heal, reduce pain, and move better. So there you have it. 8 simple, powerful, and delicious snacks to help your body rebuild collagen naturally. From dark chocolate clusters and gelatin nibbles to savory bone broth and refreshing fruit bowls. Each one of these is packed with the building blocks your body needs, especially after 60, to feel stronger and move with more ease. Remember, the journey to better health isn't about drastic changes, but about small, consistent acts of self. Adding even one of these snacks to your daily routine can give your body the boost it needs to start repairing itself and thriving again. It's about nourishing your body so you can finally say goodbye to that nagging, tingling, and weakness. To make it easier for you to get started, I've put together a curated list of my recommended high-quality ingredients and tools, like the grass-fed gelatin and organic dark chocolate we talked about. You can find the link to that list in the first pinned comment below this video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like. It truly helps our channel reach and support more people just like you. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss our future wellness tips. I'd also love to hear from you. Which of these snacks are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this content and want to continue your journey to a healthier life, check out the videos appearing on your screen now. I'm sure they'll help you immensely. Click on one of them, and I'll see you there.